At ManaPro, our promise to you is to help make the lives of your pets the best they can be, with products you know and trust to help nurture every stage. The only way to keep that promise is by ensuring a quality experience from here all the way to here. That's why we have a full team of consumer service specialists to make sure your needs and theirs are met. In fact, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, because 100% satisfaction is why you came to us in the first place. We don't just welcome your feedback, we depend on it. Reviews like yours help us make sure we're the best we can be for you and your pets, so we can always follow through on our promise to help nurture their lives now and for the future. Love our products? Have feedback? Tell us everything